I was missing this mirror in my room with our घर, office, lawn वगैरह. Of a person who is not interested in politics. यहाँ पे लोकेशन इतना अच्छा है ना. लड़के गाना गा रही. Good morning guys, so I just got ready and I don't know what happened here with my voice. I think there was some glitch. So here I am with the voiceover. I don't know exactly my wording over there, but I was just showing a room tour of this hotel. So this is the entrance and this is the way to enter the room. Enter hote hi we have this big mirror. Like I was missing this mirror in my room, which currently I don't have any. And then we had this comfy bed, जिसमें क्या मस्त नींद आई थी कल रात को. Then there is this TV which we didn't use at all. And here is my friend who was just chilling in the sofa, which was pretty cute. And I don't remember why I'm showing this messy corner, जहाँ पे पूरा बिखरा हुआ है. But here comes the best part, which I like, was this table, which was actually a space saver. Like look at this table, it can come out, and then you can use it as your study table. And बाकी के time you can just keep it inside to save some space. And then we have this another mirror. And guys, just look at this morning view. Like यहाँ से जो sunrise का view देखने मिला था, it was very good. Then moving here, we kept our long coats and they have provided an extra pillow as well. And here is the microwave and the cute basin, which was so small. Then the last part, bathroom, where I love this lighting and it was behind the mirror, which was pretty cool. Then as at the hotel, they have provided bunch of towels and that's it. And here I was talking about itinerary for the day, which was first to visit White House Visit Center, as we couldn't explore yesterday because we didn't know the timing, and the time we reached over there it was closed. And then later we are gonna explore the museum and US Capitol Visitor Center, and that's how we'll call it a day. And also now we are just gonna check out, so we are just gonna pack now everything and we'll just leave to White House Visit Center. And जाने से पहले to start our day, first coffee and then बाकी का काम. Try this.
The legacies of each generation woven into our past and present, from landmark bills signed to honors bestowed, to historic works of art on display. There's a story etched within these walls that reflects who we've been as a country and who we are today.
The White House represents the journey of our nation, defined by the ideals of democracy, justice, and equality. And it reminds us of the unfinished work we all still have to do to deliver on those ideals.
Then you go up on the elevator and you reach the 2 residence floors. And the first time I entered that space, I thought, well, this feels like home. There isn't a day that goes by that I don't think of the other children who stayed in those rooms and how the other families.
This is a place that belongs to the people and to the country. Once your term's up, you're going to be a citizen once again. And that, I think, is both humbling but extremely gratifying, because it reminds us that
गाइस अभी हम लोग व्हाइट हाउस विजिटर सेंटर जाके आए एंड अंदर पहले तो हमने सोचा था कि वहाँ पे कुछ टिकट काउंटर जैसा होगा, सो विल टेक टिकट एंड देन विल गो टू व्हाइट हाउस. मतलब टिकट व्हाइट हाउस देखने के मिलेंगे, बट ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. दे हैव जस्ट क्रिएटेड लाइक म्यूजियम काइंड ऑफ थिंग, लाइक व्हाइट हाउस के अंदर कैसा सब कुछ है, लाइक उसका घर, ऑफिस, लॉन वगैरह. देयर इज दिस मिनिएचर ऑफ व्हाइट हाउस, लाइक दोस 3 बिल्डिंग्स कैसा लगा के रखा है, एंड इट्स लाइक सो मच हिस्ट्री. सो लाइक आई एम दैट काइंड ऑफ अ पर्सन हु इज नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन पॉलिटिक्स. तो मुझे कुछ भी नहीं पता है कि व्हाइट हाउस में क्या है एंड ऑल वगैरह. टुडे आज मेरे को पता चला कि एक्चुअली व्हाइट हाउस के अंदर क्या है. लाइक आई थॉट कि हाँ चलो वहाँ पे प्रेसिडेंट वगैरह जाते होंगे, उन लोग का मतलब लोकसभा टाइप मीटिंग वगैरह होता होगा. दैट्स इट. मेरा तेरे को क्या लगा पहले?
I know everything.
नहीं बंदा. आई नो एवरीथिंग घंटा. हाँ तो मुझे कुछ नहीं पता था. आई वाज लाइक होगा मतलब यही मीटिंग्स वगैरह होती होगी, ऑफिस काइंड ऑफ लाइक फॉर प्रेसिडेंट्स, प्राइम मिनिस्टर वगैरह. बट एक्चुअली इट्स मोर देन दैट. लाइक वहाँ पे एक्चुअली प्रेसिडेंट का पूरा फैमिली रहता है. दे हैव शोन दिस, लाइक देयर वाज दिस थिएटर जहाँ मूवी दिखाई थी, जिसमें सब कुछ बता रहे थे कि वो लोग अंदर कैसे रहते हैं एंड ऑल वगैरह. अभी ठंडी लग रही है. हाँ मूवी निकल रहा है. इट वाज एक्चुअली अ गुड एंड आई गॉट टू नो न्यू थिंग टुडे. मेरा का रेजोल्यूशन है कि एवरीडे कुछ नया सीखना. मेरा आज क्या सीखा?
I haven't learned anything till now. I will learn it.
सब शो. Anyhow guys, अभी हम लोग को लगी है
वो
भूख.
2 लोग बुढ़िया लोग जा रही है.
तो यार अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं खाने के लिए, बिकॉज हमने ब्रेकफास्ट नहीं किया था, सिर्फ कॉफ़ी पी के हम लोग जिंदा रह रहे हैं. हमने एक रेस्टोरेंट देखा है जिसका नाम है बिंदास.
Bindas Bowls.
बिंदास बाउल समथिंग कुछ है, विच इज इंडियन. अगेन डिस्क्लेमर, जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ मी, बिकॉज आई ईट वेज, वी आर एक्सप्लोरिंग इंडियन.
I became complete vegan.
यहाँ पे कुछ और ट्राई करने तो भी नहीं कर पा रही हूँ मैं, बिकॉज एवरीथिंग हैज सम मीट और एग इन इट, सो नो अदर ऑप्शन. इंडियन ही खाना पड़ रहा है बाहर आके भी. एनी हाउ मेरा आउटफिट इज सो क्यूट.
हमने बिंदास बाउल्स एंड रोल्स को आया एंड मैंने चिकन बिरयानी ऑर्डर किया एंड चिली चीज़ पफ, समोसा
एंड आई ऑर्डर दिस जो कि है पनीर कोफ्ता एंड कोरमा का ग्रेवी, which is actually good. And they gave this side salad, like a perfect pork, but masala बहुत ही कम है, like compared to Indian this thing it is very less. मतलब बिरयानी कैसा है?
यम यम.
यहाँ पे लोकेशन इतना अच्छा है ना, like यहाँ के सारे रेस्टोरेंट के जो आर्किटेक्चर है, they are so good. Like they have a transparent window which is so see through. Like वो लोग हमको देख सकते हैं, हम लोग बाहर देख सकते हैं. तो कोफ्ता is actually good. Cheers. It's The National Gallery of Art in Washington DC was so beautiful. We started by looking at some amazing sculpture, then saw some really cool American furniture pieces, which made me wonder how they used things like mirrors and dining tables back then. Anyhow, after that we explored the 70s Lens exhibit, which had a collection of fascinating photographs. We didn't spend much time there though, and headed to the second floor where we saw the sculpture garden. It was so peaceful and full of creative art. Finally, we ended up seeing some stunning paintings. Even though we didn't stay long, it was a great experience. Later, we went to the US Capitol Visitor Center, but I couldn't speak much since I had to charge my phone. However, I did manage to take a few shots. The experience was amazing. They have a miniature display showing how the US Capitol building was built, the development around it, and how it has expanded. They also showcased details about how many buildings are now part of a Capitol complex. Although we didn't get to explore all other buildings, we plan to visit again next time to learn more about American history. While admiring the stunning building from the outside, it suddenly started raining, so we had to leave and headed to the Smithsonian National Museum of American History. I didn't get to shoot much since my camera battery was almost dead, but my friend helped me to take some shots on her phone. The museum reminded me of one I visited in New York, but one thing that stood out was the lighthouse section, where they demonstrated the power of light through various exhibits showing how light impacts our world in unexpected ways. Then it started snowing shortly after, so we went to Starbucks to charge our phones since we couldn't think of any other place. And they had a new item on the menu, a spicy falafel wrap, which was surprisingly good. And that's how we ended our day. We are going home. बहुत ही थक चुकी हूँ मैं तो।
दीपानी सम्रानी दीपानी
लड़के गाना गा रही।